Alright, I forgot to make this part of the video before we left the shop, but we're on our way to Vermont to probably pick up a 81 VW Caddy. It's converted to rear-wheel drive with a 5.4 Triton powering. It's pretty nutty. We're pretty well into New York. Justice is driving because I have no work state. So we've been bugging this guy pretty bad to even come look at it. He's not the best of the marketplace viewers, but our boy Greta Bean back here bugged the shit out of him until he finally gave us his address, and we're making the 6-hour drive up here. Alright, so we've entered Vermont, so I can drive again. Yeah, got the U-Haul trailer, and we're making our way down the road here. We're about an hour out from picking up the truck now. All the goodies here. He gave us a set of Mustang fucking Cobra wheels. Gave us 2 vented original doors. 2 fucking brand new tires. A hood. And this is it. Look at this fucking thing. Get a light in here.
Coolest fucking thing, dude.
Fucking tube chassis. Thing's fucking badass.